Hi guys, let's see how to make Google Map the default map application on your iPhone. So for that, make sure you have Gmail as well as Google Map installed on your iPhone. If it is not, then install it from the App Store. Now what you have to do, you have to just open the Gmail application and now tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left. Scroll down and find settings option, tap on it. Now scroll down and find default apps option, tap on it, and now just select Google Map as the default map application. If still you are facing the issue that while using some app it is still asking you to choose Google Map or iPhone Maps, so one more option is just uninstall the Apple Map so that the only option left for your iPhone is the Google Map. Okay, so just default delete this Apple Map, and then the Google Map will be the permanent default map application on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please do like.